Welcome to 19 Cornwall Street, where smart technology and net zero carbon come together.
Right in the heart of Birmingham's thriving business district, 19 Cornwall Street will offer a range of enhanced occupied facilities and technological capability.
Delivering 139,000 square foot over 7 floors, this sustainable, smart enhanced office space is finished to the highest Cat A standards.
This development will have strong ESG credentials targeting ambitious energy and environmental targets. This building and project is the first of its kind in Birmingham, meeting the highest sustainability credentials and also green credentials as well.
So our scope of works was a Cat A office refurb, new MEP installation, new facade, roofing works, etc.
This was undertaken by increasing floor plate sizes, by reducing the internal atrium. We've also provided the customer with a smart building utilising the Vanti system, which uses real-life data from internal sensors and shows information to visitors and the customer on digital screens within the entrance lobbies and on totems around the building.
Throughout the project, we held customer meetings to provide feedback from the customer and then regular inspections on each floor as we worked our way out of the building.
It's about making sure that you've got that two-line of communication throughout, through regular meetings, through weekly meetings, and it's really just about trying to understand really early on what the customer needs and wants are. The key successes were that we had a building initially in the pre-construction phase where there was limited or no structural information available. That meant that we had to do intrusive surveys, and working closely with supply chain partners and consultants, we were able to understand the building's loading capacity. That then meant that we were then able to take the design forward.
Key challenges is probably the location of the project being in the heart of Birmingham. It was quite difficult to complete crane lifts such as the PV crane lifts, the AHUs. This project's achieved all the customers' requirements on the ratings that they needed to achieve throughout, such as neighbours, well, BREEAM, EPCs, so that's all been achieved throughout the project to the customers' expectations.
The unique features in this building start when you enter through the front door. The old masonry facade has been mixed into the design with the new brick slip cladding. You'll find a 7-storey atrium, which you would never really find anywhere else.
There's EV charging down in the basement, there's PV panels, 400 square metres on the roofs. It's all sustainable. Sustainability has been a key focus of this project and with the customer.
We have worked meticulously with a number of schools in terms of careers for local SMEs, so small medium enterprises. We've been able to spend around £9.5 million with them. For me, the journey that this project's been on is the proudest part, being able to increase the floor plate sizes by using infills with metal decking into the floor plates, to then having an atrium now where it's completely sustainable from top to bottom in terms of its materials, down to the concrete polished floor.
What makes me proud of this project is being unique and being the first of its kind in the Birmingham city centre.
This project has left a legacy for not only One Dixon Interiors but also the customer. It's a showstopper of a building, meeting every single sustainable criteria and credential, and it really has set the example of what can be achieved by reusing an existing building.